gang? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave comments down below. Today I wanted to share with you guys a company called LWISA, LWISA, and I found this company on Instagram, and they sell jewelry for men and women. You could buy it for children too. They have some really nice pieces. So I went ahead and I purchased this 18 karat gold plated butterfly necklace off the site. The name of it is Flavia, Flavia. This is how it looks. It's really pretty. Really nice, easy clasp on there. I found this company on Instagram. They have some really nice reviews. They also have a lot of nice pieces that are quality and affordable. This is a 18 karat gold plated chain, as I said. It retail online for $89.99, but with my discount code, you can get a hefty piece of change off. It's really bright, it's cute, it stands out. Definitely a nice piece to have, and they'll last for a very long time. I'm going to leave the company's website in the description box down below, as well as my discount code, so you guys can get a nice piece of change off. I definitely recommend buying it. You can't even tell the difference from it being 18 karat gold and gold plated. That's how nice it is. And I also seen a bracelet after I ordered this that I want, and I'm gonna have to go back and grab. It matches the necklace so well, and I would like to wear them together. But yeah, this is how it's looking. So cute. $89.99. Use my discount code. And this is an 18-inch chain. So quality pieces that you could give a family member, a friend. Quality but affordable. Really cute. So I'll leave all the information down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video.